Hi everyone, welcome back to another MS Word tutorial. In this video we will explore some powerful features under the Insert Illustration section, specifically SmartArt, Chart and Screenshot. These tools help you make your documents more visual and professional. Let's get started. Number 1. SmartArt. Go to the Insert tab and in the Illustration group click on SmartArt. You will see different categories like list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationships and more. SmartArt is great for showing information visually. For example, use process to show steps in a workflow, use hierarchy to display an organization chart, or use cycle for repeating processes. Once you choose a SmartArt layout, you can type directly inside the boxes or use the text pane on the left. You can also change colors and add effects or switch layouts anytime using the SmartArt Design tab. So SmartArt is perfect for transforming boring text into attractive visuals. Number 2. Chart. Next, let's talk about charts. Click on the Insert Chart and Word will open a dialog box with chart types like column, line, pie, bar, area and many more. Choose the one that fits your data, for example a pie chart to show percentages or a column chart to compare values. After you insert a chart, a small Excel sheet will open automatically. Here you can edit the data and the chart in Word updates instantly. You can also use the Chart Design and Format tabs to customize colors, styles, and chart elements like titles, legends, and data labels. Charts are amazing when you want to present data in a clear visual way. Finally, let's see how to insert a screenshot. Go to Insert, Screenshot. You will see thumbnails preview of all windows currently open on your computer. Just click on any thumbnail to insert that window as a screenshot inside your document. Now if you only want a specific part of the screen, click Screen Clipping and your screen will fade. Now drag your mouse to select the area you want and that part will be inserted instantly. It's a quick and easy way to capture and include visuals directly into your document. No need for separate screenshot tools. So that's how you can use SmartArt, Chart and Screenshot under the Illustration section in MS Word. These tools can make your report, projects or assignments look more organized and professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more MS Word tutorials. So see you in the next part of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.